Yo, what's good guys, producer Mykah here, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make an Afro swing beat, and I'm gonna be using a reference of my own song featuring Morello Uche Jumbo. So without wasting time guys, let's go. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I actually made this beat, and big shout out to Morello because he actually killed this beat. All right, so quickly I'm just gonna play the beat, and big shout out to OG Sterling. He actually did an amazing job. Also, he added some nice melodies to to the beat. That's just like everything about the beat, and the whole idea of this beat, it started from just this sound you're hearing right here, this sound at the beginning here, this bed creak sound. So when I heard this, the idea for the whole vibe just came in. So you can actually get your ideas, from basically anything, man. So then I had my rim. And if you're in the Patreon, you already have this keys rim because you have access to the FLP. When I did the Keys Daniel remake. So that was the rim shot I just used. Then, I had my kick. So we have the whole vibe with the kick. And I used the very, very punchy kick because, the kick is not coming in that often. So I wanted the kick to just come in once, and, then I increased the velocity. So we have this. Yeah, and this already giving it movement. Then, I had the vibe. Then I added this pad, and you can get this pad sound from. You can get it from Peculiar Sound. The glide sound in Peculiar. You have these glide pads, and just using the Dub Sign 1. So we have that effect. Yeah, so Then I just added some EQ just to cut out some frequencies, And by this point, I didn't know I had a vibe. I had like an amazing vibe. Then I found this vocal on Splice. This is what the vocal sounds like. Yeah, so I just added that vocal, and together we have this. Yeah, an amazing melody. Then I had this melody. I actually played this melody and I reversed it. So this is what the melody sound like. Yeah, but I just needed it to sound, kind of different, out of the ordinary. So I just reversed it. And when I reversed it, I had this effect. So reversing your melodies can actually create some nice, nice effects. So together with that, we have this. For my bass, I just have this sub boom bass, just playing the single notes. Let me just solo that. So yeah, just single note bass for the intro. Simple. Just from my 3 to my 4. So together we have this all together with the bass. Then the next thing I added, I think, was this chord progression. Sounds like this. Yeah, and this is from Splice. Yeah, so together it sounds like this. Then I had this shaker, this shaker vibe. This shaker vibe just to go. It sounds like this. So together. added this hi-hat, you know, just this hi-hat move. So we're having that Afro swing vibe. Nice. So I think that was all I had for the intro. Yeah, I think there's this guitar. Yeah, that's what the guitar sounds like. But I just put it in a lot of reverb, so you know it sounds with the whole reverb. Without the reverb, it sounds like this. No, but I just wanted to push it back, like really push it back. So I added the reverb, so it sounds really inside. Yeah. So with everything together, with our kick, our snare, then I had this drum groove, which so we have. Then I had this drum fill, you know, from Splice. So yeah. Then with this transition, also from Splice. Yeah. Then I just play some more chords with my electric piano. Just simple chords, so it sounds like this. Simple. So together. Then OG Sterling added this nice melody. Yeah. And I think the plugin he used is Loom. Yeah. So together we have this. The whole melody have. Then I brought in, I brought in the bass. But the bass is just coming short. Yeah, so for this, I'm just using an 808 from P2J Pack. This is what the 808 sounds like. Yeah, nice. Yeah, then, everything came back. The same melody that started, like the intro, the whole vibe for the intro just came back in. But, we had some melodies from OG Sterling. Like this is what the melody sounds like. Yep, so and he added some percussions too. Yeah. This was his melody. Then added some strings. And I love the string because the string just gave it like, that atmosphere to have this. So, this gave the whole chorus, gave the whole chorus some nice vibe. And I really love the strings. Like the strings are, with the whole melody, everything sounds like this. Yeah, so then for the chorus, I just played around with the bass. And once in a while, I'm going to show you guys how every track on the EP was made.
You got me out, don't look. Baby, girl, you got me like I know. On your mind, you get the panato. You killed my headache. You run and pronto. That is your position. Make me follow your terms and your condition. Body too nice, double conga, so I'ma get to bad. My baby, I'm trapped in your bando. Like you know the fan do me. I don't much like I smoke with your jumbo. Kill it, get it, all I need.
Yeah, so basically, guys, that's just Uche Jumbo, and I'm sure you you like the vibe. So this is just how the whole song was made. Just started with this Bed Creek sound, like I said, and everything just became an amazing vibe, guys. Yep, guys, so you can see basically you can get inspired from anything around you, from sounds around you basically. So just using that Bed Creek sound, I was able to create this amazing vibe. So if you're here to listen to the the EP, it's available on all streaming platforms. Go support your boy, man. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you got something from this. If you did, leave a comment and give me a thumbs up. And if you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. Let's go. Peace, guys.